Hi and welcome to Watch the Time, and this very exciting unboxing of mine. As you'll have seen from the description, this is an unboxing of a luxury watch. It's my Grail watch, it's brand new, and this is the package. It's not been opened at all, so you're going to get my initial thoughts on the whole process. So it might take a while, this one, but I'm going to get stuck in. I'm still wearing my Steel Dive 6105 homage and absolutely loving it. I've got it on the waffle strap now. Fantastic watch, running at within +2 seconds a day. The AR coating has not been an issue for me. Whilst I would have preferred a plexiglass or an acrylic crystal on this with a bit of dome on it, but ultimately it's not a problem. It's running great, and I absolutely love it. Super comfortable. It's been in the shower, it's been out in the pouring rain, I've taken it to work, I've just worn it solidly for 2 weeks. But anyway, enough of that, let's get into this, because this is exciting, because this is a Grail watch. So I'm hoping this is on camera. It's a Spyderco Para 3 lightweight to do the difficult bit. This is a watch. I mean, you can see the size of it. This is a watch. So I'm sure you can appreciate this is really exciting. Bit of paper there. The box is getting smaller, but my God, it's heavy. So we now have a smaller box. Let's try not to. Let's open the smaller box. Okay, let's get rid of that one. Another box. Right, so what's this? This is obviously a slidey sleeve. I don't think I'm going to need that anymore, so I'm just going to get rid. Is this even the right way up? Oh, this is going to give it away. That's the outer box. Ooh, kind of little tabs there. So there you go, that's the outer box. And as you can see, it's a Speedmaster. Right, so let's open these. Wow. Now that in itself is an experience. This is a case back. Let's just peel that off. Oh, get rid of that. Apparently these buckles were designed from buckles from the suits that they wore on the space mission. Right, I don't know what we've got here. Some bits and bobs. I've got my warranty and my pictogram stuff and me Amiga instruction booklet there. But let's get this out. So we've got a case within a box, and we've got the booklet. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, that's weird. Yeah. So there's your booklet, adjusting the metal bracelet and the straps. So I'll put them to one side as well. Let's put this to one side. Well, they know how to give you a box that's ideal for unboxing videos. So let's, how do we do this? Oh, there we go. So we've got Amiga Speedmaster Legendary Moonwatch. Oh, that's a shame, it's not sitting squarely on the thing there. Little door there. So we've got a little loop, which has actually got the tachymeter around the edge to match the watch, but there's a nice little loop, I presume, so you can inspect your watch. We'll do that in a minute. We've got in here loads of stuff. So we've got spring bars, just a what looks like a plain black Amiga branded NATO strap. That's the strap that was, or there's a style of strap that was used in space, and that looks like some sort of tool. Looks like a spring bar tool. Looks really nice. Let's just get that out actually. Yeah, it's an Amiga branded spring bar removal tool. A Speedmaster case. I mean, that's really nice, but I don't know what that's for or what you'd use that for. Like a hockey puck, don't know. And then we have the watch with a little hang tag. So this is the Speedmaster Professional. This is the acrylic version with the 1861 movement. So it's got the solid case back and the acrylic crystal, which is the one obviously I wanted. That's the one I've gone for. So let's just bring you up closer to the camera now and start peeling off stickers and things. So let's just get that one off. Wow. Obviously it's not running because it's a hand wind and it's not been wound yet. So it's not an automatic movement. I'm just going to swap the camera positions. Okay, so I've just swapped to a better camera position. Let's get this off of here. Let's get the stickers off. There you go, there's another sticker. Another sticker. Another sticker. Some more. Another sticker there. Oh, there's another one here, not one on the back. Okay, so I think that's all the stickers off now. So there you go, there's the watch in all its glory. And I was fairly speechless when I unboxed this watch, but for a different reason. This watch was £100, and it's stunning how good it is for £100, and I still believe that. This is, I'm speechless for a completely different reason, because it's just gorgeous. I'm aware of some people say there's issues with these. There's only 2 micro adjust and no half links, so sometimes you struggle to get the bracelet right. But that was similar with my, look at that crystal, that's beautiful. Similar with my other Omega, but I got it fitted absolutely perfectly, so I don't have an issue with it. It's one of those things that'll either fit or it won't, and we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. The case back is, you don't often say that it's stunning in itself, isn't it? Look. So nice to have a brand new watch as well that's not been, it's not got little marks or nicks anywhere on it. Those twisted lugs are beautiful. That's one of the reasons I liked the Omega Seamaster. The twisted lugs and the profile is beautiful on it. Quite a thick watch, but most of that is the crystal. The actual watch, not that thick at all, but that crystal, I'm so pleased. I went with the plastic or Hesselite, acrylic, whatever you want to call it. I'm so pleased I went with that, because it is just beautiful, and you don't get any of that AR coating. You don't need it on these. Right, let's wind it and see if we can get this thing running. Oh, that's so smooth. And it's away, it's running. just going to give it a reasonable wind. I'm not going to go completely mad on it. That'll do for now. Might as well set the time. It's just gone 3:30. No date on this or anything. It's nice clean dial. One of the reasons I like this dial is it reminds me a bit of the Zin 104 that I had, in that it's just it's designed to do two jobs, and that's tell the time and time things. You know, it's such a clean looking watch, and it's one of those watches where you look at it and you don't tell the time by 1/4 past, 1/2 past. You know, you can tell the time in actual minutes. It's that, you know, it's so clearly defined. So I'm just going to pop that back in. Right, let's check the oh, that's a lovely push, and the timer's running, so that's nice. Let's just stop that there and reset it. Bomb, lovely. There is loom on this. When I do the proper review, I'll do loom shots on that, but there's loom on the battens and the hands, and the time in hand as well. Got the sweep seconds over there at the 9 o'clock position. The 3 o'clock position is your minutes, and you've got a 30-minute counter, which I really like because it's nice and visible. I've got a chronograph with a 60-minute counter, and it's not as easy to see when it gets to like 5 minutes. And I do use it for timing stuff when I'm flying airplanes. And then you've got an hour part of the chronograph. There's an hour thing as well. Signed crown. Obviously, as this is the professional model, the pushers and the crown are all in a line. If you get the reduced version with the ETA movement, the stacked movement, these are out of line, and I think that just throws it off. And also the smaller one, the reduced, the dials are pushed out and encroach on the battens, whereas this is all inside, and it's just gorgeous. Obviously, I haven't sized it for my wrist, but I will just pop it on wrist. The first time I've taken that off in about 2 weeks. This thing is absolutely stunning for just over 100 quid. But there you go, let's pop this on. So it's not sized for my wrist yet, but the first thing, I mean, one of the things that people say on this is that the centre lug of the bracelet tends to overhang a bit, so the lug to lug distance is quite big, but this to me looks absolutely perfect. It's just stunning and gorgeous. I'll talk money because, you know, we should talk money. This costs just over $4,000, but at the moment they're doing interest-free credit over 4 years, which to me is a no-brainer. I got it from Goldsmiths, which is you know, there's local goldsmith shops. There's one in Chelmsford, but I just did it online, and yes, 4 years interest-free credit. It's a low monthly payment. So to me, it was a no-brainer to get 4 years interest-free. You don't do that, and I presume they're doing these deals mostly because of the COVID situation. You know, they're not getting the foot traffic through their shops, so they're doing some, you know, pretty good deals. Plus, this watch, from what I gather, I'm not sure how much longer it's going to be about with this 1861 movement in it, but my first impressions are I'm just absolutely blown away by it. So I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to obviously spend some time now, resize the bracelet and get it fitted. Then I'll do a proper review of it shortly. But for now, this was my unboxing initial impressions of the Omega. Omega? What's an Omega? Omega Speedmaster Professional Moon Watch. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, bye.